Welcome to Zia's Kitchens. Today let us make a fish recipe. This is tuna fish dry roast. This is very chatpata recipe. I hope everyone will like this recipe. For this I have taken 600 grams of tuna fish. I have removed all the thorns and bones of the fish. I have taken only the flesh. Now let us marinate this. To this add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, salt as per your taste, and 1 teaspoon of fennel seed powder. Just mix this. Let all the masalas get well coated with the fish, and let us keep this aside for a while. Now in a hot pan add little oil. We are going to shallow fry the fish. Meanwhile, those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications of our new uploads. And also please do share to your friends and relatives and send your feedback also. Now it is done. One side is done. Just turn it over to the other side. You can see all the fat is coming out. This fat is very good for children. When both sides are done, just take it out and keep it aside. In another pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add the chopped onions to this. I have taken 2 large size onions. Just saute well till it becomes translucent. Add 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger to this, and again saute well. Add little curry leaves and the green chilies. I have taken 1 green chili here. This is already very spicy, so if you want you can add more. In a mixer grinder, take 2 red chilies and 2 tomatoes chopped and just grind it to a paste and add it to the onions. Now mix well. Let the raw smell of the tomato go. Now add the masala spices. 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and now mix well. Now 1 teaspoon of fennel seed powder. Add again salt to this masala, and now add 1/4 cup of water. Now let it boil and the raw smell goes. Now finally add 1 teaspoon of pepper and squeeze half a lemon into this. This is really very tasty dish. Please do all try this. Now when the masala is done, now add the fried fish into this and mix well. Do not break the fish. Slowly and carefully we have to mix. And now add little curry leaves. This is very good for plain rice, even sambar rice or rasam, or even for chapatis. I made this for tapioca puttu. That was really fantastic combination. Please do all try this. Very tasty tuna fish dry roast is ready. Hot and spicy dry roast. Thanks for watching.